Let us talk about the Lissajous patterns. Yesterday once we discussed about Lissajous pattern. What are the features of Lissajous patterns? Lissajous patterns are used to measure frequency and phase. Frequency and phase both can be measured. What is the use of Lissajous pattern? Application of Lissajous pattern is frequency and phase measurement. Phase, how to measure, frequency, how to measure. From the Lissajous patterns, what are the Lissajous pattern? First we are looking. For any CRO, there are two types of deflection rates. One is X deflection rates and Y deflection rates. Those are also called as horizontal. X means X-axis. It is horizontal deflection.
ఎందుకంటే రాసేసినాయి కదా ఆల్రెడీ ఈ సైజులో ఉండాలి.
Suppose if you want to see the signal, it is EY is the vertical deflection rate signal. It is EX assume that it is a signal applied to horizontal deflection rates. Horizontal deflection rates always is given by sweep generator. Sweep generator output is given to horizontal deflection rates always. But in case of Lissajous pattern measurement, we are applying XY mode in CRO. XY mode apply చేసినప్పుడు horizontal deflection rate is sweep generator disconnect అయిపోతుంది. Two signals we have to apply to measure phase angle and frequency. In Lissajous patterns we are applying two signals, X plates on one signal and another Y plates on another signal. But actually in CRO, when it is measuring voltage, unknown voltage, if you want to see the signal, any signal, that we have to apply for vertical deflection rates. The input for CRO given by probe is connected to vertical deflection rates directly. That we have to remember. Always remember this. It is very helpful for your future also, gate point of view also. That is vertical deflection rates or Y plates input signal is connected. మన lab లో probe connect చేస్తాం. ఆ probe connected to which plates of the CRT? Vertical deflection rates. X plates always connected to sweep generator. Sweep generator or time based generator. Sweep generator output is sawtooth waveform. Sawtooth waveform is continuously applied for sweep generator. Sorry, X deflection rates. Okay, మన probe ఎక్కడ కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది? Y deflection rates కనెక్ట్ అయ్యింది. మనం ఏ సిగ్నల్ అయితే మెజర్ చేయాలనుకున్నామో ఆ సిగ్నల్ is connected to Y deflection rates. Now actual thing is that one. How to measure unknown signal by using CRO is by connecting vertical deflection rates. The input signal is simply we are connecting probe to the CRO. Wherever we want to measure, that probe is connected. But inside what happened? Whatever be the signal we want to measure in lab, that is directly connected to vertical deflection rates, vertical amplifier. Vertical amplifier before the signal to be modified. CRO, whatever be the CRO, according to CRO adjustment, vertical amplifier amplifies the signal. Whatever we want to measure, that vertical amplifier amplifies the signal. After that, amplified signal is connected to vertical deflection rates. Vertical deflection rates and horizontal deflection rates, two plates are there in CRT. CRT construction, if you know, two plates and electrons on all these spots, where the various spots. Vertical amplifier output is connected to vertical deflection rates. Okay, the unknown signal is connected to vertical deflection plates through via vertical amplifier. Okay, that is happening in the actual measurement of unknown signal. But in case of measurement of Lissajous patterns, Lissajous patterns are patterns which are obtained when two sinusoidal signals applied to Y deflection rates and X deflection rates. In XY mode of CRO, XY mode, if you turn on the XY mode, then CRO disconnected from sweep generator. X plates are disconnected from sweep generator output. Hence we are giving the XY plates, both we are applying unknown signals. One of the signal is known, another signal is unknown to measure frequency. One signal to be standard one. Which is standard one, which is unknown one, that we have to remember. Normally, input is given for vertical deflection rates. Now unknown signal is this one. Unknown signal is this one. Input, whatever be the signal, unknown signal that we have to view on CRO screen, we are giving for vertical deflection plates. అంటే ఇన్పుట్ సిగ్నల్ ఏది ఇచ్చినా మనం దేనికి ఇస్తామంటే y deflection plates ఇస్తాం. ఇక్కడ కూడా unknown signal is given to y deflection plates, known signal is given to x deflection plates. Lissajous patterns are obtained when two sinusoidal signals are applied to a CRO under XY mode. When XY mode is turned on, what will happen? The CRO is disconnected from time-based generator or speed generator. After that, we are applying two signals. One of the signal is unknown one, that is applied to vertical deflection plates. One of the signal is known one, standard signal, AC signal. We are applying for horizontal deflection plates. Okay, now which is unknown one? This is the unknown signal. Okay, now how the CRO works, how the Lissajous pattern will be formed in CRO screen. Let us discuss now. This is the signal, unknown one. It is a vertical deflection plate signal input. It is unknown signal. Unknown signal always applied to vertical deflection plates under normal mode, under XY mode also. XY mode is to measure the Lissajous patterns. What are the applications of Lissajous patterns? We know that frequency and phase is the application. Two applications only. Measurement of frequency, measurement of phase angle. Phase means phase angle. Measurement of frequency here and phase angle phi used to measure the Lissajous pattern. That is the only 2 points. If you know, then you will get easily marks. What are Lissajous patterns? That's why they will give the examinations. What are Lissajous patterns? Lissajous patterns are used to measure one, frequency, another one, phase angle. If you write this, you will get 2 marks question by that. If it is 10 marks, you have to explain this elaborately how the Lissajous patterns are formed. Let us discuss Lissajous pattern, how they are forming. Here, this basic concept, if you understand, you can easily answer. I already told you in the last class. If the Lissajous pattern is like 8, how to measure, how we are obtaining this 8, how we are obtaining like this Lissajous pattern. Sometimes if you observe the CRO, when XY mode is turned on, you will get a spot. In CRO, sometimes when you are doing experiment in laboratory, when XY mode is turned on, sometimes you will get one spot only. Instead of a line, one spot will appear. One thing you have to remember, one thing commonly we observe in CRO. What is that thing is, when you turn on the CRO, which line will be formed? Vertical line or horizontal line? When you turn on the CRO, which line is formed? When you turn on CRO, which line is formed? Normally CRO turn on chestune em avutadi? Horizontal line vastunda, vertical line vastunda? Horizontal line vastunda. Horizontal line vastundante horizontal plates ku already input untundi lopala. Horizontal line vastunda. అంటే హార్జెంటల్ లైన్ వస్తుంది CRO టర్న్ ఆన్ చేస్తే, అంటే హార్జెంటల్ లైన్స్ ఆల్రెడీ స్వీప్ జనరేటర్, టైం బేస్ జనరేటర్ ఇన్పుట్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి హార్జెంటల్ లైన్ వస్తుంది. ఎప్పుడైతే అన్నోన్ సిగ్నల్ ఇస్తాం మనం, whenever you give the unknown signal to the CRO, horizontal line will disappear and comes to unknown signal format. It will be synchronized. Suppose actually this is the time base generator always inside inbuilt of CRO. Whenever you give the sinusoidal signal, this sweep generator unknown signal along there, ఈ విధంగా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. మన సిగ్నల్ AC అంటే ఆల్రెడీ సిగ్నల్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి CRO లో హార్జెంటల్ లైన్ ఒకటి వస్తూ ఉంటుంది. హార్జెంటల్ యాంప్లిఫైయర్ ఇన్పుట్ ఉంటుంది ఆల్రెడీ. Our time base generator output is connected to horizontal deflection plates. If you know the construction of CRT, go and study the construction of CRT. Horizontal deflection plates are connected to horizontal amplifier. Horizontal amplifier output is time base generator. Sweep generator output is ramp wave or sawtooth wave. It is called a ramp. It is also called a sawtooth wave. The time base generator is connected to deflection plates, horizontal deflection plate. Anduke CRO lo horizontal line always you can obtain. Okay. Now when two sinusoidal signals are applied to X plates and Y plates, both the plates, then the pattern obtained on CRO screen is called as Lissajous pattern. The pattern which is obtained when we apply two signals, two sinusoidal signals applied to two plates. Actually, what is there inside? Horizontal plates we disconnect chestam, time phase generator. Now we are applying, this is the horizontal deflection plates input. Already this is the standard signal. It is also known as standard signal. Standard signal is applied to horizontal deflection plates. Unknown signal is applied to vertical deflection plates. Now let us point out how this formed. Carefully observe this. Assume that it is 0, it is 1. We are dividing the signal into number of parts. It is 1, big point is, again it is 2, it is 3, it is 4. Which is signal? This one, unknown signal. Unknown signal is divided into 2 parts. So many parts, 1, 2, 3, like that. You can divide this also 2. So many parts you can divide. How many parts you divided unknown signal? The same parts we have to divide standard signal. Horizontal deflection. Now this is a 0, this is 1. How you divided? Peak point is 1. Now it is also peak point is 1. It is 2, it is 3, it is 4. Same alag here. You can see it is similar to this. Now draw this one and this one. This one and this point 1 will touch. This 0 and this 0 will touch somewhere. Here it will touch. You know that? And 0 నుంచి ఇక్కడ డ్రా చేస్తాం లైన్, ఇక్కడ నుంచి 0 ఇక్కడ టచ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఈ పాయింట్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ 1 నుంచి ఒక పాయింట్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం. Extend this point 1 and extend this point 1. It will touch somewhere. It is called as 1 1. It is right. Extend this 2 and this 2 again. It is 0, 2, 4. Is it right? 4th point also comes to RC. Now extend this 3. Extend this 3. Extend this 3 and it will touch here. It is called as 3.3 or 3.3. Now what is the pattern you obtain? This is the one point you obtain, this is the one point you obtain, this is the another point. If you join these 2 points, the Lissajous pattern will be straight line, which is important between first quadrant and third quadrant. Now what is the phase? Phi equal to 0 degrees. The same signal is applied to vertical deflection plates, horizontal deflection plates. When the phase angle is 0, you can obtain a straight line between first quadrant and third quadrant. Phi equal to 0. Phase angle between two signals is 0. Now opposite of this, when it will obtain come like this. When this straight line comes under second quadrant and this quadrant, when it will come?
90 degrees.
When phi equal to
90 degrees.
90. 0 का opposite line कौन सा angle? 0. 360 degrees. 180 degrees. 180 degrees. It is 0. This is 180. This is 90. This is 180. Again, if you shift this, ఇక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది. Unknown signal is this one. ఇక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది. అప్పుడు ఇది 0 అవుతుంది. ఇది 0 అయ్యి again if you extend this, then you will get like this. Phi equal to 0 degrees or phi equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Lissajous pattern, when you obtain Lissajous pattern like this, first quadrant and third quadrant, the phase angle phi must be 0 degrees. When the Lissajous pattern obtained between second quadrant and fourth quadrant, phi equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, phi equal to 90 degrees means it is unknown signal. It is 90 degrees actually. It is 180 degrees. When you apply this signal to the CRO, because the two signals are displaced with phase angle phi equal to 90 degrees. Phi equal to 90 degrees displaced again. If draw the same, ఇదే మ్యాటర్ ఫాలో అయితే 0 0s ఇక్కడ 1 1 ఇక్కడ ఏ విధంగా నెంబర్స్ పెడతారో ఇక్కడ అలాగే పెట్టారు. అప్పుడు ఒక సర్కిల్ వస్తుంది. We can observe in lab after completion of this class Lissajous pattern in lab directly. Okay, when pi equal to 90 degrees, a circle will come. Similarly, this is the 1 point, this is the, assume that it is 0 point, it is 0, actually it is 0, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4. Again, if you join these points, you will get a circle. At pi equal to 90 degrees, pi equal to 90 degrees are also known as 90 plus 180. How much?
270.
270. At pi equal to 270 degrees, you will get as ellipse. మనకు స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ ఎలా వచ్చిందో అలాగే ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసుకుంటూ వస్తే మనం ప్రతి ఒక్కటి ట్రాక్ చేయలేం కాబట్టి ఎలిప్స్ వస్తుంది విచ్ ఇస్ బిట్వీన్ pi equal to 90 degrees, pi equal to 30 degrees, pi equal to 30 degrees or pi equal to
150 degrees.
30 plus 180, okay? 210 degrees. 210 degrees ellipse వస్తుంది. Now clearly observe that what is the phase angle. When the phase angle is 90 degrees, unknown signal. What is the Lissajous pattern obtained? You can see. Now let us see. The unknown signal is applied to y deflection plates with the phase shift of 90 degrees. And unknown signal, standard signal is applied to x deflection plates is same. Now the unknown signal starting is assume that the point is it is the phase angle pi equal to 90 degrees. It is the 90 degrees of sinusoidal signal. Now assume that it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Similarly, we already provided some points. We are joining this point 0 and 0. You will get 0, 0. This is the 1 point. If you join 1 and 1, you will get this point. If you join 2 and 2, you will get this point. Similarly, if you join 3 and 3, you will get this point. If you join all the points, then you will get a circle. When Lissajous pattern is to be observed as a circle, the phase angle must be, remember, it is 90 degrees. Okay.